Time in. Last and final quarter. Sulangan versus Ngulos. Battle for third for the Fiesta of Giwan Eastern Samar 2025, Santo Rosario. Bakor, number 17 of Sulangan. Palpal ni Ramirez. Toralistan from the right. Yes, Porto. Easy layup. This line. Ramirez. Ginugulo ni Dado Akon. Autida. Toralistan. Tablan wala. Dado Akon. Nagmamadali. Mag-isa lang. Naagaw ni Ralistan. To Tablan. To Autida. Back to Tablan. Yes, Porto. Fourth quarter. Ginuyo. May foul. First throw. No good. Reynaldo Yakit. Second throw. Wala. Rebound by Autida. Ahayaw. Abudi. Long 3. Pasok using the board. Abudi 3 points. Ramirez sa gitna. Umikot. May foul. Kabantok. Bound by Ramirez. Toralistan. May palpal. Na-recover ni Tablan. Waring number 11 of Ngulos. Toralistan from 3. Wala. Rebound by Autida. Scramble the ball. Nakuha ni Bakor. Kabantok. Ball alone for 2. Ralistan 3 points. Right. Radyo. Dado Akon. May foul. And Juan. May kasama pang foul. First throw by Dado Akon. Bonus throw. Complete. Complete deep 3 points play by Dado Akon. Tablan. Tira ng 3. Wala. Isolation. To Ramirez. Ramirez. Lays up with the right hand. Yes, Porto. Abudi. Long 3 na naman. Wala na. Agaw ni Bakor. Dado Akon. Tumira. Wala. Ralistan to Ramirez. Wearing number 19 of Ngulos. Tablan. Yes. From the center. Porto. Bakor. 4-3. Yes. Nothing but net. Bakor. 3 points. Score 61-63 in favor of Sulangan. Ramirez. Top outside by Bakor. 24 seconds. Shot clock. Score 63-61 in favor of Sulangan. Dado Akon 4-3. Wala. Pagod na. Bakor. Abudi. Back to Bakor. Long 3. Wala. Ramirez. Makapanas, may foul. This by the referee. First throw, basket. Kainong out, Kabantok in. Second throw, basket. Dado akon. Kabantok. Bakor for 3. Yes, Bakor 3 points. Score 66-63 in favor of Sulangan. Ramirez, palpal. Nice.
Laramano, okay na, Laramano.
Ramirez. Left-handed shot. Porto. 3 points. Wala. Ralistan. Back to Ralistan. From the left corner. 3 points. Short. Akon. Yes. Basket. Agaw. Last 1 minute and 46 seconds for the last quarter. Makapanas. Pinilit. Wala. Kabantok. Abudi. Bakor. Tumira ng 3 ang layo. Wala. Laban ba yung 3 points again. Basket. Points. Score 65-73 in favor of Sulangan. Last 47 seconds for the fourth quarter. Kaban Abudi for 3. Wala. Basket. Palpal. Jace. 3 points. 3 points. That's the end of the ball game. 67-76. Winner ang Sulangan. Laramano. Nice game. Nice game. Nice.